Hello everyone, my name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for choosing to stop by. If you are returning, thank you, your girl really does appreciate it. Now, either way, if you are currently not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Our video on today, we will be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box, okay? We're going to check it out and see just what's inside. For those of you who are not familiar with the Allure Beauty Box, this one is $15 per month. However, they always have fantastic promotions, usually where you can get your first box for $10 and a lovely welcome gift as well, and then $15 per month after that. Now, I happen to like the Allure Beauty Box, and if you'd like to know about how I became a part of the Allure Beauty Box family, I'll link it in the iCards above. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in. And so when we open up the box, this is what the inside looks like. And this is our pamphlet. It just says Allure Beauty Box on it. And it gives us a note from the Deputy Beauty Director. How about that? And then it kind of goes through each of the products that would be included in our box on this month. Okay, and then an advertisement from Geico on the back. So, let's just jump right in. Now, apparently, the bag that we get our products in each and every month, it has changed with the packaging. It now looks like this. Okay, which is a plastic envelope. This one is nice. The last one, well, all of the previous ones had the little snap here, but this one is where we just inserted. However, it's so full, there are other products that are in the box. So let's just go ahead and get started and see what we have. So this lovely orange, I do like this. Okay, houses whatever our monthly products are. So let's check them out. The first item that I pull out is from Lineage. Let's just see what the pamphlet. Oh, yes, first one. Okay, and it says Lineage, a water bank moisture cream. According to Zoolander philosophy, moisture being the essence of wetness and wetness being the essence of beauty, this little blue jar is brimming with beauty. Okay, and this can be purchased at us.lineage.com, and we do have a promo code to get 20% off any water bank products, okay? But the manufacturer suggested retail price on the full-size item is $35. Now, we did receive a sample size, and by the way, if I did not mention that to you in the beginning, their products are sample size, some deluxe, and even some full-size products have been enclosed. Okay? Now, let's just put a little bit on. It's thick. It's not watery at all, which is what I kind of thought it would be, but it is not. And we'll take that and just rub it in. It has a light, very nice light scent to it. It makes my skin feel really nice though. Okay, and this one is our sample size product, and this is moisture cream. This says, according to my thirsty skin, this cream is a great balance between light and effectively moisturizing. It doesn't feel heavy, but thoroughly plumps my skin. Nice. I can see that. I can feel it too. So that's pretty nice. Okay, and like I said, that one manufacturer suggested retail price for the full size is $35. Okay, moving right along. The next product that we have is upside down apparently. Youth Revolution Radiance Cream and Mask by Allure Pacific. And it says, whew, it's a lot of information there. It says, it doesn't smell like anything. I can wear it overnight, focus on disease, and have brighter skin by morning. And that was by the Executive Beauty Director. The manufacturer suggested retail price on a full size is $200. Okay, I'm so sorry. This says that they did include a 15% off coupon code or promo code. And it says it can be purchased at us.amorepacific.com. Okay, I need to see what $200 skincare is all about. Oh, and it does actually look like the full size. It's just a miniature size of the full size. This is what it looks like here. It's very beautiful packaging, and it's metallic on the top. Flip it over. Don't flip it over. Ah, here's the cream. So even though it looks like you'll want to flip it over, you don't. That's just the top. I'm going to do some reading up on this product. She's right, it smells like nothing. But Youth Revolution. Right now, who knows, maybe later on, but right now, don't see myself purchasing this as of yet. But we shall see. This is the Youth Revolution. Manufacturer suggested retail price on the full size is $200. Okay. I'm still having a little bit of a moment on that one, but okay. I definitely do appreciate the Allure Beauty box, because this is introducing me to some brands that I never would have necessarily gravitated to. So, but this feels nice so far. Not too heavy, not too thick. I don't know how long this would take me to use all of. This is 0.2 fluid ounces or 8 mLs. Okay, so we'll see. We shall see, and we will revisit this again. Okay, and this one is Highlights. And this is by the company Model Co. And this is a metallic eyeshadow. And the shade is Saint Bart's. And let's see what the brochure has to say about this. It says, this bronzy champagne cream shadow dries fast and doesn't crease or rub off. Its doe foot applicator deposits the perfect amount of rich color across your lids for a cool metallic effect. But you can also blend the edges out into a glittering haze. All right. Manufacturer suggested retail price on the full size item is $12. And it can be purchased at modelco.com. And it does give us a nice 30% off on any full-size product. So this is what the deluxe sample looks like. And that's the shade, which is beautiful. Here is the shade. That is nice. Okay. This is Eyelights by Model Co. And moving right along to our next item by the company Saint-Tropez. I feel a giveaway coming on. Yes, I do. Alright. This is the Bronzing Water Gel. I'm not going to open this or anything like that because I'm feeling a giveaway. Okay. And this says Saint-Tropez Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Gel. Of all the self-tanning formulas I've tested, foams, lotions, and sprays, this liquidy gel is a clear winner. Nice play on words. Okay. It's easy to spread a thin coat over dry skin, so I don't get any streaks or splotches. There's no guide color, so it doesn't stain clothes. Okay. But its glistening wet texture lets you see and feel where you've applied it. It sinks in quickly, and the scent is a mix of fresh and tropical, truly. All right. It left zero stink behind, is what she said. I used it in the morning and ran around all day. One application is great for a subtle glow, but I used it a few days in a row for golden color. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $44, and it can be purchased at Ulta. Okay, yes, I'm feeling a giveaway. I'm feeling a giveaway. We'll talk about it at the end of this video, but I'm feeling a giveaway. Let's see. The next product we have is by Ritzy Cosmetics. We're very familiar with Ritzy, and it is a lip gloss. This pale pinkish nude gloss has a 60s vibe. A 60s vibe. Okay, I can do that. Don't know about it, but I'll just say okay. It's super pretty with dark eye makeup or layered as a highlight over a deeper nude lip color. Just make sure your lips are smooth or apply it over a balm. It's less cute on chapped skin. Alrighty then, but that's pretty. That is pretty. I'm about that nude shade right about now. Beautiful. Oh, that is gorgeous. I'm gonna have to hide this one from my daughter. Daughters. Okay. I have a new nude lipstick. This shade is called Vibe. I am loving Vibe. Alrighty, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this full size, okay, is $20, and it can be purchased at Ritzy.com. And we also have a 20% off coupon promo code that's good through August the 31st. Nice. Okay, and we still have another product. All right, this is quite interesting. Okay, now this is by Allure, And this is the Erase Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Brightening Powder. Combine the loose powder exfoliant made with milk powder and oats with water. Apply, wait a minute, massage it away, and it unclogs pores and renders skin as soft as a baby in a tiny velour tracksuit. Really. I'm just going to say okay. In parentheses, they said very soft. Okay, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $15, and you can purchase at evolue.com. And there is also a 20% off promo code. There is an applicator mitt in the bottom of this box, okay? And this goes along with the Saint-Tropez Tan Applicator Mitt is what this says. And it tells you exactly how to use this with this. Okay? So, I told you I was feeling a giveaway coming on. Now, this is for my subbies who may have a little less melanin in their skin. Why am I saying that? Because I also received, if you remember in last month's Allure Beauty Box, we also received the phenomenal tanning cloths. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a giveaway with these 3 products right here. And anybody that knows me, who subscribes on my channel and who has participated and won in a giveaway, I usually throw a little something extra in there. So if you would like the opportunity to win this giveaway, leave me your name below, like this video, and send me a DM on Instagram, and we'll go ahead and throw all the names in and pull one out, and this will belong to you. Just my way of saying thank you. All right, now I just ask that once you try it, you hit your girl up and let me know how it worked out for you. Now, I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below if you have tried any of these products, what your thoughts were. Let me know if you are going to give me a yay or a nay. Try this $200 cream. Woo! Okay. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.